totipins. This deliberate exercise builds the grip endurance essential for survival, showing that even baby sloths
As the storm rages, the mother's fur becomes a sanctuary. The infant burrows deeper, instinctively seeking.
In this timeless existence, time has little meaning. Survival requires so minimal effort. The moonlight catches the moisture in the air, revealing the forest in a gentler light. Here, night falls and the cycle completes.
The successful transfer demonstrates thorough mastery of essential skills, highlighting the sloth's growing independence after weeks of patient practice.
This canopy is home to two contrasting strategies. The macaws cover vast territories with speed, while the sloths thrive in stillness.
The canopy community awakens with a burst of morning activity. Quick movers like the monkeys coexist.
The arrival of the sunrise dramatically transforms the forest. The first golden light reveals the sloth.
Life in the slow lane. This male begins his day with a gradual shift, never releasing one grip until the next is secured.
While the dawn chorus signals an urgent awakening for the birds, the sloths, with their slow metabolism, remain perfectly still.